Alright guys, JR the Cowboy Closer came out today. I'm gonna take you to a new studio. We're about to go lock up for our podcast. We got a nice mural planned by one of the best artists in the nation. It's gonna be crazy, stay tuned for that. We're gonna go to some rural towns around San Antonio and look at a mobile home park that we might look into buying and investing in, and just some other little mobile homes that I might invest in. The return on these type of investments is crazy. I'm talking about buying a land and home for about 40 grand, putting 10 or 20 and renting for over a grand. So the returns are nuts. Yeah guys, stay tuned in this episode. If you like what you see so far from the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, leave some comments. Make sure you reach out to me on Instagram and TikTok at JR Clutch. I got some fun stuff we're working for y'all to give y'all some scripts and just some little freebies for y'all to help you on your real estate investing journey. So come on guys, let's go for it.
They've never like.
Yeah, this one's better.
Oh wow, looks nice.
Looks so much better.
Yeah.
The carpet looks
right?
really nice. Makes a difference.
The art too is good. But yeah,
Yeah, I told him dark. He first said, I found some brown carpeting, and I said, absolutely not.
Okay, so we're right. It was 11 this way.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah, this one's.
And then we'll be 4 feet this way. So basically the conference room table in half. That's all we need. So it's gonna give you a lot more room.
For sure.
So it's gonna put you like right here. So the cameras could be what, like right in the middle?
Yeah, all around right here.
Okay. And then yeah, we could fit a couch and then a control center right there.
Right there, yeah.
All right, so here we are guys. We're just locking up this studio right here. Voila. Doesn't look like much, right? But that's the crazy thing. Every studio I've ever been in, it looks a lot cooler when it's just with the cameras focused on, but this is it. So right here, we're gonna have a nice mural set up with the Clutch logo. We're thinking about putting Jordan and Kobe, some banners on both sides. We're gonna have a table right here in the middle, and then we're gonna have some of your favorite guests here on this show. So, all right guys, so simple as that. We're gonna have some of your favorite guests on here. Now it's time to go to Pleasanton. Look at this mobile home park.
Park just like this one.
Oh yeah, comp.
Just down.
What was it on College Street?
No, it's on this. It's
okay.
just right down the road. Same.
I don't know no College Street.
Okay. Same owner. Bought it for $168 in October of 20.
Okay.
He just flipped it for $475 in March.
Okay.
All he did, I talked to him. He went in there. He leveled. He skirted. He put porches, and he did some work on the inside of all of them. And he added a unit, and he sold it for $475. So,
were the mobile homes similar condition?
yes, and it's not, yes, and there's pictures, of course. Now, I don't want to go in here, but like, you're welcome. I just can't handle, like, it's,
Yeah, no
it's,
problem.
like,
I'm used to this.
Too dirty for you?
Oh, I smell it already.
yeah, I can't.
Sheesh.
Like, I can't.
Ooh.
Yeah, I cannot, like, I'll throw it.
Yeah, this is bad.
Roach City, baby.
I wish y'all can smell this. You can probably smell it through the scene. Jesus.
I can't.
Yeah, it's gross. It's like a mobile home though, no?
He feels like it, right? But they try to make it permanent.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, don't come in here.
Nasty.
I'm out. Bro, this thing's horrible. Oh, what the fuck? Just bit me or something.
Man, I've never seen roaches like this.
Welcome to real estate investing. So, this is one that somebody lives here?
Yes, that rent on that one is, did you already send them all the rents?
No, I can't. So I just
Oh.
got that little pad that they were written down on.
How long has this owner owned this park for? You know?
Oh, probably 20 or more.
Okay.
20 years at least.
Okay.
Yeah. These people, he's a FedEx driver, and they know that they have to get rid of that. That's
Okay.
a liability. I don't think that should be here.
Mm-hmm.
And then any appliances that are on the property
Mm-hmm.
have to go.
Okay.
So I've set some expectations as far as that goes.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice tree.
All the trees are nice, but they just need to be trimmed, you know.
Yeah.
And I know this lady has been here for years and years and years, and I believe these people have been here, and the one in the back.
So, okay. Does he have rent rolls and bank statements of all the rents, or like he has all that? Okay, I would definitely want to see that. So okay, so the one in the back is kind of trashed, right?
Yes, that one.
That one too.
No, somebody.
Well, somebody's renting that
people
one.
live in all
Well,
of them.
the one did you pay the $200?
$750.
They pay $750 for that?
Yes.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
So what I have is I have her income tax
Okay.
from 18, 19, 20. But of course, because everyone pays cash, she does not put it all.
Okay, gotcha.
You know.
Yeah, I mean, as long as I get some figures of how much, who's paying.
Oh yeah, I can tell. I can answer you all of that.
Okay. And is there anybody that needs to be evicted?
No.
Nobody needs to be
I
evicted?
had her do that before.
Okay.
And everybody pays like clockwork.
Okay.
The Market Street property, that rent on that one's $1,300.
Okay.
Those people were in a bind. She did them a favor of $900.
Okay.
So that one usually gets 13.
Okay.
There's your rent roll, or on a napkin rent roll.
Yeah.
Okay. That's accurate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 8 being rented?
Yes.
So only that back one is the one that's not being paid?
And then this one isn't even on here.
This one?
No. The one that's no
Over there.
good.
Oh, okay.
But there's 2 more slots.
Okay. So how many meters in total are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's 8 meters in total?
Did I count?
9.
9.
So there's 9 meters?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm gonna...
I believe the apartment and this, they're on separate. So there's 2 meters here.
Okay.
So there's one for the...
I want to check real quick. I want to actually count the meters. That's pretty important.
Yeah.
Let me count them real quick. Do you know about water?
Oh, everybody pays their own water.
Separate meters?
Everybody has separate meters for
Okay.
everything.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So we're gonna count all the meters, see how many meters there are. Electricals. Where would you see the water? Probably on the front, right?
Okay, there was one in the front.
All
I saw the one in the front, but I didn't see none for this.
Where's this getting electrical from? I don't see a meter at all.
I don't even see the...
This one's over here. What are those? One's a 220 and one's a 120, right?
It's just an add, that's just for the add-on. That's kind of hot.
One of them is a lot, and it's got like a 1,200 square foot house on it.
Okay.
But it needs total rehab. And another one, they've started rehabbing it. They're probably a quarter of the way through, but they're in a bind.
Okay. Yeah, I can check both of them out.
I'm going to
That's
ask him. I don't have time to take you.
Okay. I
Because-
can go by the outside.
Well, I'm going to ask for the addresses
Oh,
and see
okay,
if
okay.
he'll give them to me.
Yeah, sure. Same guy?
Yeah, actually, I can
No,
look it up.
different.
No, different person.
Okay.
Yeah, there's one right here.
This is a good one right here.
This is good. One is good.
Big boxes?
This is,
Oh, it's
yeah,
a little box.
this little box. The other one's the long box. The other one's 240, says.
That one's 240. This is a 120. I should have took a picture of all of them. Do you think anybody's here? So that's 4 meters. I've seen I've seen one, okay, two 120s and two 240s.
Yeah, but
The 240s are these big boxes right here.
yeah, but the meter says 240 on that one.
This one looks good. Okay, so far I actually see one, like maybe.
This one is 240.
That's a 240 for sure.
With a bigger meter like this, can you split that, or can you use that for more than one?
No. Maybe actually, like single wide.
Yeah, smaller ones.
All right. So what is that? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 meters. They got nice trees on this property. I wonder if you could add more, because there's definitely a spot right here for another one. Yeah, you definitely got room to add here.
There was one right here.
Oh really?
They cut the wires like that.
Oh yeah.
The wires just hang over.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know.
There was one here though, I know for a fact.
But once they take the meters here, you
Yeah.
gotta redo that.
There's not another meter, right? So how many was that? 6?
No, well, this would have been 6.
Thoughts so far, it makes money, but it's definitely some slumlord stuff. I've seen like 2 trailers that are decent. Oh, 3, maybe 3. So if there's another one right here, it'd be 9. Oh, so this one's actually the one to this.
No?
No?
Nope.
What is this one's not connected to anything?
Okay, so that meter right?
Yeah. So this one's vacant?
No, that's not vacant.
No? I don't see any. I don't see
No,
anything
she
hooked up
lives
to a
there.
meter. You gonna go pass by the other ones?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, that's one.
I mean, there's a couple that I could see were probably pretty rough, but
Yeah, but they're way
just the property itself is in better shape right now.
Yeah, these are way better, bro. These I can see that.
Yeah, someone could
Like if
live
they
in
were
there.
all like this, I could see 200.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But they're not. This one's a little rough. That one's rough.
Yeah, you can tell like the roof. If you look at the roofs too, I mean, some of them they just covered it up with whatever. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. You probably rent that for like 900. Is it for all this lot?
Here, yeah.
It's a big lot, yeah, I got it. Man, that's all one lot. It's a good lot. It's cool with these little cities out here because you can like do whatever. Fucking.
Well, that's what I'm saying. And the more real estate you own, the more they're gonna do for you.
Yeah, 824. It looks like they started fixing it up.
Well, I'm gonna put some offers together for y'all though, so she can give it to them and we can try to make some money. And too, that just doesn't need a roof. That's just wavy.
Oh, it needs roof.
Damn, that's rough, bro.
I mean, yeah, that's lot value to me.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's all the way to the back. Oh no.
They got an RV in the back too. And that's
This
it's
is-
a good sized lot.
Dude, don't get me wrong though. I would invest my money here, but at the right prices.
Yeah.
This is slumlord heaven. Like buy a house like that for
That's what
30
I'm
and make
saying.
900. That's
Like-
all day. Nope. Scrap it.
Oh,
This
that's
one?
833. So
Oh,
it's
right
probably
there,
this
8 to
one.
9, right here.
Yeah,
829?
this one right here.
Jesus Christ.
Sheesh, man.
Shoot. Man. Nah, these are just like, I mean,
They're
anybody's
lots,
gonna
really.
pass by this and be like, yo, what do you want me to do with this thing? How much is it rent for?
This one I don't know anything about. She just gave us those on the spot when we were there.
You drove a little bit that? Is there rent?
I'm gonna find out right now.
I'll buy it for 10 grand. They're
Man, I
fucking paying
mean-
500.
It looks like somebody lives there. I can't believe they'll just let you leave shit in the yard like this and everything.
Look, they're using natural gas. You see that? That's propane.
Yeah, on the side.
Yeah.
That looks dangerous.
Looks like nothing is up to code.
That looks dangerous. I feel like over here you just buy a lot for 10, you put a mobile home for 100, and you list it for 180.
Yeah.
No, I'm doing something like that.
And owner finance it for 12%.
Boom.
You're not gonna help it?
Hi, y'all open?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, thank you.
Should have given me
Yeehaw, motherfucker! I rode my fucking cattle 4 hours. Get this motherfucker.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Imagine
Y'all ain't
pulled
open.
up
I
in
swear to
Forest.
God, I will light your ass up.